Good morning, students. So, I'm back with the continuation of the story again. Okay. In the previous class, we have seen that the friends they started to nearby forest, and what happened there on the way? They heard some chirping sound of the birds, and these three of the friends they went away, and Sundar wanted to help these birds. And when they reached to a point, to a particular place, the three friends found that Sundar is missing. Then after that Sundar also joined them. Okay, let us see what happened. Turn to page number 25 of your course book, volume 1. Soon the three friends who had ridden ahead stopped at a spring to give their houses water. Where is Sundar? asked Rajni. So these three friends they left. So what happened? Sundar got down from the horse to help the birds, and these three friends did not see that Sundar had stopped there. So when these three friends wanted to take a small break so that the horses might also drink some water. So when these three friends got down from the horse, what did they notice? They noticed that one of their friends and Sundar is missing. Where is Sundar? asked Rajni. They were surprised to find that he was not with them. Do you remember those birds? asked Sharad. So it was really surprising for them because Sundar did not intimate them. Without saying, Sundar left these three friends and went there. They even don't know that where is Sundar. So they are surprised. Where is our friend? So, do you remember those birds? asked Sharath. Sharath is asking them, do you remember those birds? I am sure he has stopped to take care of them. In a few minutes, Sundar joined them. Then what did Sharath say? I am very sure Sundar might have stopped there to help those birds. So, within short time, Sundar also joined these three friends. His shoes were covered with mud. He had torn his shirt while climbing the tree. Hello Sundar, said Shobhan. Where have you been? So, when he reached to the place where these three friends were there, how was his appearance? His shoes were covered with mud. His shirt was also torn due to climbing the tree. So, where have you been? Who's Sundar? Shobhan is asking to Sundar, where have you been? Where were you? I stopped a minute to hand over those birds to their mother, he answered. Well, we always thought you were a hero, said Rajni sarcastically. Now we know it. So what happened? Sundar replied that I went to help those birds. I handed over those little birds to their mother bird. Then his friends said, well, we felt that you are a hero. Now really you have proved that. But they are saying this in a humorous way. Okay, they are not saying this genuinely. Okay, they are making fun of him. They said it sarcastically. Okay, what did they say? Yes, we know that you are a hero. Now really you have proved that really you are a hero. They are saying in this way. Okay, they are making fun of him. They are saying this humorously. Then all the three of them laughed heartily. They thought it so foolish that a strong man should take so much trouble just for some worthless young birds. So what happened? These three friends started to laugh after saying this. They made fun of their friend and they started to laugh loudly. Okay. Then why are they laughing? They are thinking that it is so foolish to do this. Okay, you are such a strong man, you are a human being and you are worrying about those little birds. They are making fun of Sundar. Sensing their mockery, Sundar said, gentlemen, I could not have slept tonight if I had left those helpless little robins to die in the wet grass. So, Sundar came to know that they are making fun of him. They are saying that in sarcastical manner. They are making fun of him. They are laughing at him. Then he felt hurt. Okay, he got hurt. Then what did he say? Gentlemen, if I did not help those birds, I would not have slept the whole night if I left those birds in the wet grass there. Sundar rode ahead, leaving behind not just for then but forever. So after saying these words to these friends, he left them. Okay, he did not join them. Hereafter, he left them not only at this point of time, he left them forever. He became very successful and also was loved by all in his village. He was soon made the leader of the village. So after leaving these friends, he became a very successful man in his life, and very soon he was also made the leader of the village. He brought lot of development and noticeable changes to his neighborhood. So when he got this leadership, what did he do? He has done a lot of work. He took more efforts for the development of the village, and he also has done many changes in the village and his neighborhood. His attitude took him to the top. His friends looked at him grow at a great speed and repented for not being a part of him anymore. Then what is that which made this person very successful? It was his behavior, it was his nature, it was his attitude that took him to the top. So when his friends saw this, they repented. They said sorry to themselves. Okay, they were feeling very sad. They were feeling very sorry that they once upon a time they were friends, and they what happened? They insulted him that he helped those little birds, and they made fun of him, and now he is a great person today. He has become great person today. They are feeling very sorry that now they are not his friends. They repented. Okay, they repented greatly. They were feeling very sorry and sad that he is not their friend at this time. So what is this story about, children? We have learned two things from this. Okay, what do we learn from this? One thing is we have learned is empathy. Okay, what is empathy? Empathy means the quality, it is the quality of a good human being. Okay, the quality which helps us to understand, okay, and share the feelings of others. Understanding others, sharing the feelings of others, it helps us to understand this. Okay, we have also learned this empathy, it is a good quality. Empathy is a good quality which every human being should have for others. And what we have learnt, what else we have learnt is we should also save the birds. Okay, how can we help them, especially in the summer times? Is we can keep a bowl of water out of our house, okay, or on the terrace, so that they can drink water whenever they feel thirsty in the summer times. So we should develop this quality. We should have this empathy. Every human being should have this empathy for the other beings. Okay, then we should also save the birds. We should let them free. We should not kill them, or we should not step back to help them. So this was the story, students. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.